Welcome to the EssentiaTools 2026 Budget and Finance Tracker. This walkthrough will guide you through how to set up and use the tracker to plan, record, and analyze your finances throughout 2026. Before you begin, note that this file uses a small, secure Excel macro. The macro powers the Refresh Dashboard button over here and is used to only update your dashboard with the latest data. When you first open the Excel file, Excel may show a yellow bar at the top stating macros have been disabled. To enable it safely, go to File, Options, Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and select the Disable VBA macros with notification. You would then need to close the dialog box and restart the Excel file again. When prompted, click Enable Content on the yellow bar to allow the macro for this trusted file. You would only need to do this once. Please ensure you're using the desktop version of Microsoft Excel, either on Windows or Mac. Macros will not run in Google Sheets or Excel Online. So the first step to using this file will be to go to Monthly Budget Sheet, which is where you define your financial plan for the year, your expected income, and expenses. It helps you set spending targets and monitor how your actual spending compares to your plan. If there are any sample rows like this, highlight them and hit the delete button on your keyboard. For each new entry, enter in the month you are trying to budget for. So this is January 1st. Then you would choose a subcategory from the drop down by scrolling through it. Or you can also filter down to look for the category you want. Click on it and then enter in the amount you are budgeting for this category for this month. Next, you would go to the debts owing sheet, which is used to record all outstanding financial obligations such as credit cards, loans, and other balances. It allows the dashboard to calculate your total debts, payments made, and progress towards repayment. Remove, yeah, which you can find over here in this part of the dashboard. So again, remove any sample rows, select the category, enter in the amount owed, and you can enter in a brief description if you would like over here. Next would be the daily transactions sheet, which is where you put your activity log, where you record every income and expense as they happen. It gives you a detailed visibility into your cash flow and spending habits throughout the year. Again, you would delete any sample rows, enter in your date, enter in your subcategory, and the amount you would like to key in. Next, you would go to the Dashboard tab after entering your data and click the Refresh Dashboard button to update all charts and summaries with the information you just keyed in. If the button doesn't work, verify that the macros are enabled using the Trust Center settings, as explained at the beginning of the video. So this dashboard provides a structured visual overview of your finances across the 2026 calendar year. It includes summary cards over here, which shows your total income, expenses, savings, and your balance, which gives you an instant snapshot of your financial position. The debt tracker over here shows the total amounts owed, total repaid, and overall repayment progress. The spending breakdown donut chart over here highlights how your money is distributed across categories based on your income, helping you to see where most of your money is being allocated. The budget versus actual charts compares your planned budget with actual spending to reveal variances across the categories. The trend charts down here track your income trend, expenses trend, and savings trend month by month to show seasonal changes and trends to see if either of them are trending up, trending down, or just trending flat. The spending breakdown table over here lists each main category with its budget and actual spending. The color shading visually ranks spending levels, and red represents categories with the highest spend, while yellow to green represents the lowest. This helps you quickly identify which areas consume the most of your resources. The monthly balance trend, which is a line chart showing your net monthly balance, which is income minus your expenses throughout the year. Peaks indicate months with high surplus or savings, while dips represent periods of higher spending or reduced income. It helps you monitor cash flow over time and anticipates periods when adjustments may be needed. So you can filter the dashboard by months. You can also filter by category, as well as you can filter by both month and category. So to clear out the filter, just hit the clear filter icon over here to clear out the filters on the dashboard. The dashboard also includes motivational daily sayings to keep you engaged, and it has prescriptive insights, which are brief database suggestions designed to encourage consistent financial discipline. To recap, remove any sample rows from each of the sheets as shown earlier, and also as well fill in the dates, categories, and amounts for each of them. As well, ensure to enable macros using the trust center settings explained earlier. As well, also refresh the dashboard using the refresh dashboard button each time you enter in new information to each of the tables. The Essential Tools 2026 budget provides a clear, accurate, and insightful view of your finances, combining structure, data, and guidance to help you stay in control throughout the year. Thank you.